Oh, hey, Ron. So, hey, I just got this crazy message. Here, come here. I gotta show you this. It's from Donald Trump, okay? It says birds are governmental surveillance drones. Can you believe this?
Wait, let me see that.
It's crazy. Like, I can't even deal with it, bro. Seriously, though, like, I have proof. I was just in, like, the National Archives. Okay, look at this. I found this. Seems to be a regular, typical bird.
These are the wires coming out of it.
Exactly, out of its anus. Okay, that doesn't work.
I've done all my research.
And then you literally get this. It was also in the archives. The first prototype, a plasticky feather. Look at this. Hey, cameraman or camera woman, feel this. Feel this. Isn't it plasticky?
Mm-hmm.
Exactly.
It has wires on
See,
the
this
back of
is a
it
lie.
too. They say birds have evolved from dinosaurs.
That was a lie. Look at all of this research you've done.
All this
going to
research.
waste. Calm yourself.
Look at this. Birds. Birds. They're not real. It's dead now.
Look, it didn't even crack after all of that. It stayed in the same position. Obviously a robotic surveillance.
Look at that. We are cutting inside of a dinosaur to see maybe if they can give us a clue on what's actually inside the bird. Guys, as we can see here,
The wire thing.
there's batteries. Guys, like, it's
Hold on.
actually insane.
Do the wire thing.
Guys, look, we're gonna see what's inside of this bird. Ugh! Guys, I can't even cut it. It's so hard. It's not even, guys, literally.
Look at this though. This
Whoa.
bird. It's
Getting charged.
like, look at this. This thing is getting charged. Okay, listen to this. I figured something out.
Look, we're seeing inside the bird.
It's obvious that birds are fake. How is it that birds can touch power lines?